We're here with Acidboy from the Alpha Racing team. As you know, he's one of the best sport bike races, MotoGP type of thing here at 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐤 in Kenya. So he's going to explain to us how to ride a bike in less than 5 or 10 minutes. Remember, disclaimer, it doesn't mean that after this you can go on the highway and try to ride your bike, man. This is just to give you the tip, excitement to join the motorcycle club in Kenya and for wherever you are. So welcome, guys.
Now guys, I have a R6 here, Yamaha. So today I'm gonna show you how to ride a motorbike. So a motorbike, it's something need a lot of balance and then also need a lot of calculations and discipline. So a motorbike, when you want to ride a motorbike, first of all, try to learn how to balance bicycle. If you have a good balance on the bicycle, so to ride a motorbike, if you are good on the bicycle, so on a motorbike, it's just it's just a bicycle but has the engine.
Okay.
So to ride a bicycle which have the engine, we have the keys over here. You put on the bike, then it has something we call the starter over here, the starter button. You just press it, and then also when the machine is on, in case you want to stop, it has the kill switch over here. The one you get the easiest key to press so that the engine can go off. So, and then this side we have the clutch. As you can see, we have the clutch. This side we have the gears, and then come on this side. On this other side we have the rear brakes over here. Then we have the front brake. Now, to ride a motorbike, you start the bike. Then, if you have the balance of riding a bicycle, so you put the first gear. When the bike is on, you put the first gear, and then don't add the acceleration. When you have started your motorbike, then you need to release the clutch, the belly smoothly. Don't dump the clutch.
Okay.
You just release the clutch as smooth as possible, so that the bike can't jerk. So you need to release the clutch smoothly. Even if like you have the bike like this one, it has a lot of horsepower. You don't need it even to accelerate. You just put the gear and then you release the clutch smoothly, and the bike can start move. Let me show you. I put the first gear, and then you can see the bike it's starting moving.
Okay.
Like that. So on the gas, you accelerate when the bike you want the bike to go fast, so that's the time you accelerate this one.
Okay.
But not that too much, because this bike has a lot of power.
Okay.
And then it also determines the bike that you want to start with.
Okay.
So if you want to start with a smaller cc bike, you put the first gear. So kama unataka kujifunza na bike yenye cc yake ni ndogo like 200, 150, you need to balance the throttle and the clutch. When the time you are putting unaongeza mafuta, that's the time you are releasing the clutch smoothly.
Okay.
And then when the bike is taken that motion, then unaachilia clutch complete. So the clutch we use the clutch to start move the bike, and then the accelerator, you accelerate when you want the bike to go fast, but don't be fast on your first day to ride a motorbike. Start slowly by slowly. Know how to change gears, and then know the time to apply the brakes, maybe the time you want to stop. When you have started moving your bike, the brakes you apply the time that you want to stop, or you want to punguza speed. That's the time you apply either the rear brakes or the front brakes.
Okay.
Yeah, and then also at the same time you engage the clutch. So so that the bike can stop. So guys, first thing, when you want to get on your bike, before removing your stand, you must make sure you're seated on it. Then that's the time you remove your stand, then you switch on. Then you must check if the bike is neutral. That's the time you can start riding. And now you are good to go. You just engage gear 1. Guys, when you want to stop, first of all you make sure the engine is on neutral. Like I come here, it was on the first gear because I want to stop. So like when I want to park it completely, I make sure the bike is on neutral, and then I put the stand, and then I switch off. Then you come out of the bike.
As simple as that,
Park the bike when it's on gear.
Thank you, man. Thank you, Acidboy.